Hi, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are keeping well at home. First of all, I thank all of you, especially those who participated in our different kind of competition last week. So I thank all of you for your participation. So today I came to take your class. Today I will take the class for class 3 of communicative English of class 3. Okay, this book, understand? So we'll see first one. If you see, there is before the beginning the main chapters, okay, before beginning chapter 1, there are many exercises, vocabulary recap. So these are very important. If you know it, it is very easy for you to understand the grammar class at least. Okay? So without delaying, let us begin. There, the first one you see, write the feminines of the following. So masculine or male is given, you have to write down female. Masculine is given, feminine you have to give. One example is given here, ox. Okay, ox. Ox will be the feminist cow. Hmm? Then sir. Sir is ma'am or madam. Understand? Now fox. Fox is that is fox. Fox you see, fox vixen. Okay? Fox is vixen. Understood? Now son, daughter. So if you see, there are so many types are there I have given in the PDF file. So all the question and all the female gender I have written in the PDF file. You can see and go through it and better to memorize it. Understand? Now next page you see, page number 2. Write the plurals of followings. Hmm? Now plural, singular and plural. Singular is given, plural is plural you have to write. Now some rules are there, okay? Here you see those words ending with x, sh, ch, okay? These words, if it is any word ending with these letters, okay, x or sh or ch, that means for plural time it will become, you have to add it es. Okay, so example one is given, box you see, box, and it will become boxes. Understand? Boxes. So same thing here, branch you see, last one, branch. So you have to add it es only to make it plural. Okay, branches. Okay, so same way the y you see, next one is y. If the ending letter is y will become I, then add es. Okay, this is the rule. Y will become I, then add es. So you see there is written fly. Fly equal to f. So y will become I, then es, and it became plural. Okay, it became plural. But not the same when it will become, when you see before y, if it is there is consonant, then only y becomes I, then add es. Okay, and if there is vowel before y, if there is vowel, okay, that time y will not become I, it will remain y as y, then add only s. Okay, for example you see next one, toy. T-O-Y, toy. Before vowel, before Y, what is there? O is there. O is vowel. That's why Y will not change. Just you have to add it S. Understand? So next one you see live. Live. When the last letter is F, any words you want to make it plural, huh? any words or any noun, if you make it plural, and you have to, if the last letter is F, then F will become V, then add it ES. Okay? So example you see calf. Calf. Calf will become CLVES. Calf. Okay? So same thing. Now the some words are there, some nouns are there, they do not follow the rules and regulations that you have to memorize. So we will see that now. Some words are there, some or nouns are there, they are not, they don't follow any rules and regulation, you have to memorize it. For example, ox. Ox you see. Ox if you see, there is no rules and regulation, you have to memorize auction. Okay? Understand? Man. Man, you have to make it MEN. Okay? So, child. Child, children. Okay? This will not follow any rules and regulation, you have to memorize it. Understand? Now, next page you see, there are verbs. The present root verb is called V1. The past form is called V2. There are three forms in one verb. One verb, there is three forms. First one we will see. Present form, past form, then past participle. Past participle. See, past participle form. Okay, in one verb there are three forms. Okay, so we have, that is known as V1, this is known as V2, this is known as V3. Okay, so one is given, example you see, live, lived, lived, and living. This is participle. Participle, what you will do there? See, that is past participle, we will do it in the verb form. This is participle. Participle is given ing, adding ing. Present participle is add is ing. So first one you see, first one is given already. We will see the third one. Move. Move. Moved. Moved. Then one more line should come. That is participle. That will come. Okay. There is no place I am writing here only. So ing you have to add it. Understand? Ing you have to add it. Moving. So if you see my PDF file, it is given very clearly. Understand? So I think you understood. Okay? So next one. Next one, same thing is carry on. So in this time I have written this only. Okay? Till till page 6 I have given you in PDF file, and we will learn this much only. And in the next class I will teach you the next from chapter page number 7. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any problem, you can contact me. Understand? So bye.